Hi, this is Samir Pradhan from Control Trends India, and I am at the .NXT upgrade show in Grand Hyatt, Mumbai. I am with my lovely friends from Bajaj Electricals, my very old friend Shakti Lekha, who is now the head of IBMS business for Bajaj Electricals. Welcome on the show,
Thanks,
Shakti.
thanks, Samir.
Uh, Shakti, for what I know of Shakti, he's been with Johnson. He started his career with Johnson, then went to Tyco, made Tyco big, and now he's with Bajaj. And I'm extremely happy to see whatever I have seen in the last half an hour or so at the booth. And this is some excellent business. So Shakti, tell us about Bajaj Electricals. Tell us about what have you done in the last 3 years? Because I see some phenomenal work that has gone in the last 3 years.
Tell you, Bajaj started this IBMS business way back in 2008, exactly 8 years back. See, that time when we got into the IBMS business, we started taking projects directly and we were doing SITC jobs. So that was our learning phase. We did that experimentation for a while. I joined them when all the projects were open, fortunately.
Sure.
So the first task was, being an industry veteran for long, was to get back the customer confidence, see that those projects close, and there are challenges not just on technology side, but there are challenges from the customer side, cash flow side. The market went through tough time, but in 2008 to 2011, the Lehman Brothers story.
Yes.
So that was a tough phase. So we corrected that phase. I created all that Taj Mahal to say now. So that reference phase is over. So we built up. Then we came with the story that Bajaj, with the legacy of 77, 78 years in India, took a position of saying we will bring innovation to India market. So that's the position we changed when I took on 2012, that we are not a company which trades products or does install or does understand technology, but we are domain experts on IBMS and smart infrastructure domain, and we will get players from international markets for India market which value the value system which we are believing on, of open systems.
Okay.
And at India pricing point, so that people get benefit of that.
Yes.
And we can expand the market. So that's the way we started our journey since 2012.
Shakti, I see a lot of international partners who have partnered with you on this journey. Can you just quickly run through those names and?
Yeah. See, we have essentially 7 principal partners with us, whom we represent in India, and we have the support from them. On the technology side, we have Delta Controls, who is our exclusive partner for the BMS, whom we represent, and fortunately they are the native BACnet founder members. And clearly an open platform BMS, scalable up to cloud, so can manage even smart cities. Then we do have another partner called as Securiton with us, who is our long partner, and on fire detection technologies I would rate them above anybody in the world. They are one of the oldest fire company headquartered out of Bern in Switzerland. Fortunately, I do have Rohit also with me. He will take you to detail on their products and the technologies. And today we have rolling out an early detection system of fire alarm system in India at India pricing points, with the India market requirements understood right from that partner. Then obviously Greystone and HID for access, and Magnum Energy for wireless range of sensors, and Vivotech on IP cameras. So that completes a whole IBMS profile, along with gas separation coming out of Keding. So all resellers, all integrators can come to Bajaj and can look at a single source point for fulfilling the IBMS needs.
Absolutely. Can you just quickly run through the viewers on what kind of system integrators, channels that you have, and how do you sell your products? How do you, because one is product, the other is application of products, and what steps have you taken?
I will tell you, like today we have around 40 trained system integrators spread all across India. They may start from any name like Wipro down to Kalyani Technologies to StarTech. There are various people in the industry who we have upskilled and have got them trained on the IBMS, and we have put a core value of customer delight on each guy, whoever does. Awesome. So these are open systems, because product may have the best of the things, but if not delivered right, we really lose value and we lose the customer.
Sure. I see Rohit here. Rohit, welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
He is Shakti's partner, Bajaj Electricals partner on the aspiration system and the fire detection system. Rohit is the country head of Securiton.
Yeah,
I've got your
Securiton. Yeah.
Sure. So Tell us something about you and
As Shakti already introduced me, I am heading Securiton in India, and Securiton is a Swiss company. We have a headquarters in Switzerland and the factory is in Germany. So all the products are manufactured in Germany, and we don't have any China connection. So all products are guaranteed by Germans. Today, as Shakti already told, that he is one of the best companies in the data center business.
Correct.
So we are very fortunate and we are very delighted to associate with a partner called Bajaj Electricals. We did a lot of data centers with them, and he said he has a client like Wipro, Schneider, Dell, and fortunately we are suppliers to everybody.
Correct.
Yeah.
okay.
Today we are going to launch a product called aspiration smoke detection system, which is already there in our portfolio from long time. But today we have launched a cost-effective product suitable for India market. So if you talk about the price points, we are now 30-40% cheaper than the earlier products. So this is one of the product, and we need Bajaj's help to promote this product in the India market again.
Sure. So viewers, this is from Control Trends today, from the .NXT upgrade. More from all these fabulous guys in time to come. I have invited Shakti to be a regular on Control Trends, and so is Rohit. So thanks, gentlemen, for being on the show and sparing your time and making this event so special.
Thanks for this honor, Samir. It's pride to have Control Trends in India. I believe you came in this year itself,
Yes.
2016.
All the very
And
best.
all the very best, and we look forward for this industry gaining a real status which it deserves. And Control Trends will help us reach the level we want to be.
Thank
We
you.
all know Control Trends of US,
Yeah.
but now we look forward for Control Trends of India. Thanks to Samir. Thank you.
very much.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.